Magandang araw mga B! Kamusta naman? Look at that, naka-shorts na po tayo kay very init today. Aabot tayo ng 26 degrees. Ngayon, mainit na po sa labas, no? Ito na nga, it's Saturday today. Ano man ang ganap natin, guys? Pati kami, hindi namin alam anong gawin. Kaya parang kainit ba kung ilakad-lakad din sa labas? Meron po tayong banana leaf. Frozen po yan. Binili ko siya ng frozen, guys. Labas natin to kay gusto ko magpastil. Kaso, wala na akong, ano dito ba, apoy. Di ba kailangan siya na apoyan ng saglit lang, iganon lang ba? Kay para, pag i-fold po siya, hindi siya madaling masira para maglambot yung ating banana leaf. Pero, nag-google po ako, pwede pala na parang i-microwave siya saglit or pwede din na i-ano po siya, idampi sa sobrang init na tubig. Parang sira-sira nga ito eh.
Oh, are we going later?
I don't know.
Okay.
Look at that, guys! Nilabas ni Daniel ang mga kites niya. So, we're going? Mahappy itong anak ko, guys. Kaya nalabhan ko na yung kanyang, damit na binili po namin nung ako nag-vlog.
What is it?
This is my surprise. Ba't na siya? Gustong-gusto niya magsuot ng Pokemon, guys. Siya ang pumili nito. First time niya pumili ng damit. Why do you like Pokemon now? Before Super Mario. And now you like Pokemon. Kaya mga classmate niya, mga Pokemon. May pupuntahan tayo. Look at that. May dala-dala tayong mga pamalit ni Nathan. Kay baka maligo siya ba? No? Magbasa-basa siya doon. Magdala din ako ng mga prutas. Para hindi natin magastos-gastos doon. Diba? And saging. Dito na din siguro ito ilagay. Oh, look what Papa has. And Nathan, you want now? Or you want the same as what Papa have now?
No.
Okay. Ito kanya ko. At saka, sabi ko nga sa yung gasolina namin guys ay free. Kaya itong lakad natin today, walang gastos involved ito. Gala-gala lang talaga para may magawa tayo sa buhay. How is your pretzel? Taste good? Magpagas tayo. Gas, pero libre. Libreng pagas galing sa company ni Daniel. Hindi po ganyan lahat dito, guys. Hindi po lahat ng kumpanya ganyan. Kasi yung kay Daniel, every year, nagre-raise po yung sahod nila. Ngayon, tinanong siya kung anong gusto niya. Sahod ba or sasakyan pati gasolina? Siyempre, sasakyan pati gasolina. Kaya ito, company car po ito. Kaya malakas ang loob namin magsigid. Kaya kung hindi ito libre, saan kami mag-drive na kamahal na ng gasolina ngayon? Kaya yung magpunta-punta kami ng mga Belgium, pero dapat kung magpagas ka dito lang talaga sa Netherlands. Kaya kung sa ibang country na Belgium, Germany, malapit lang man yan dito. Hindi na siya libre, guys. Kami na ang magbayad niyan kung doon magpagas. We're here, everyone. Malayo-layo din to, guys. Grabe ang effort. 40 minutes galing sa bahay namin. Ang mga kasagbutan dyan, oh.
Almost there?
Yes, bebe, we are almost there.
I cannot see it.
Yeah, almost, because still 4 minutes. Train is coming! Chut, chut!
That's what you said last night in bed.
What?
Coming.
Tapos ngayon nagtatanong si Nathan, ano daw nakakatawa, hindi namin ma-explain. You explain. I cannot explain that to your son. Nothing is funny, baby. Can you sit properly?
What is funny?
The toot train is coming. That's funny.
Yeah.
That is so funny!
Tignan niyo po yung mga pabahay nila dito, guys. Umayayaman sila. Oh. Sana all. Wow. Big houses.
It's like with the bridge.
Oh, yes, you are right. A slide with a bridge.
Because they made that here.
Yeah.
It's like with the bridge.
So, do you like it here?
Yeah. And they have more.
Yeah, you know, Mama was here before, but you were still in the itlog of Papa when we went here.
But
But now you are here.
yeah. It's
Punta ka muna kay Papa, mag-sunscreen doon. It's very hot. Because we are today in the city of Hind. Busy ang mag-ama ko, guys. Oh, you are right. That's very nice. Nakapag-sunscreen na po siya. Akalain nyo yun, guys. After 8 years, nakabalik ako dito. May anak na tayo. May anak na tayo. Yeah, and then we go to the dike. Yan ang dike ng Netherlands, guys. Oh, iwas sa baha. Marami kayo makikita na parang mga bundok na maliliit. Yan po yung dike nila. Kasi ito, puno to ng tubig dito, itong city na ito. Kaya meron po talagang dike. Wow! Now let's go to the dike. Let's go! Let's see the water. All the water in the world. Wow! And the dike. Akyat tayo dyan, guys. Last punta natin dito, nakablog ako. So kung matagal na kayo, almost 8 years na kayo na nanonood sa akin, I'm sure napanood nyo yun. So kaway-kaway sa mga matatagal na natin na subscribers. I'm proud of you, everyone. Is that the small water you are telling me, mahal?
There's no beach, right? Where do you see a beach?
There! There's a beach.
Super small beach.
Yeah.
Super small.
You were saying that a little water.
No, I said a little bit of beach, tiny sand.
Ah.
Look, it's all the
Hi,
ghosts
all
of the
poop,
beach.
baby love.
You want to go to the beach? Then we need to go there.
All the
All the
poop.
children are there.
Oh, there.
Yeah, let's go.
All the poops of the sheep. Oh my gosh. Ayun, may mga sheep doon, guys. I thought you were saying a very small water.
No,
A very small beach. Ah, may video pa ako yun dati ba na nag-emote-emote ako dito. Katai-tai pa itong sandal ko dito kay karaming tai ng mga sheep. Kalalaki pala ng mga tai nila, guys. Hindi parang sa goat. Ang goat maninipis man. Sa kanila parang pangtao man ito. Look at that. May naliligo. Grabe. Abot dito ang mga uo nila. Oh. Oh.
I cannot play here.
Why you cannot play here then?
Because I have
Maybe I've got a surprise for you. You don't know. You want to know?
Yeah.
Chen chenanan, chenan. May dala akong mga laruan niya, guys. Oh. Para sa sand.
Yes.
Tiny beach, but everywhere else, yeah.
Magpa-kite-kite sana si Daniel. You don't want to kiting, man? With all the poop there?
All the poop.
Dito na muna tayo.
Look, Mama.
Hmm? Wow. Si Daniel, tinitingnan niya kung pwede siyang mag-kiting. Ayan yung mga dala niya, oh. Maraming nagsasunbathing, guys. Maraming naliligo. Careful! Alam niyo ba ang tubig malamig masyado? Sobrang lamig. Okay. First time ko mapalapit sa sheep, guys. Ito yung kinakain ko. Oh, paborito ko ba ito? Lamb. Meh. Hello. Meh. Be, don't go ha. Don't go there near them. They're afraid. They're thinking that maybe we will eat them. Look. Smile here, Be.
He wet poop under his shoes.
Me?
Nathan.
You have a stinky poop on your shoes. It's so cold, bebe. Mm.
My feet in the wall.
Okay, that's fine. I brought his mahal swimming shorts.
Always beat fast.
Yeah. Kano siya ba? Kantil. Alam niyo yan, guys, kantil yung.
Not with him in the water.
Yeah. Oh, wala na. Balik na tayo sa pagkaitim nito. Para na naman tayong sikirara nito, guys. Are you enjoying, bebe? You like my surprise? Basa na ang pudit niya. Para tayong nagpatintero sa mga kalalaki. Ah! Ah! Ang dami din mga dito, guys. Parang tayo ba mga turista din, maglakad-lakad lang. Maganda to siya na city. Iano nyo good? I-search ninyo Hindelopen. May video ako dito na takbo-takbo. Dito talaga, dito. Kung saan man tayo naglalakad ngayon. Wala ako naglakad o bahala sila dyan. Wala ako labot. Wala ako pakialam ang sabihin nila. Kung may payong ako, nagpayong ako ba? To the city now, just looking.
And not buying.
No, just looking.
Why?
Ganyan ang ginawa nila na panagang para sa ano guys, sa baha. Yang dike na yan. Sobrang daming dike dito sa Netherlands. Tingnan nyo ang boat niya oh. Yan yung bahay ng may-ari. Mahal yung mga bahay na ganyan, no? Yung meron kang ano, malaking, ganito ba? Tubig sa likod mo, kaya para malagyan ng boat. Mahal yung mga bahay na ganun. Got that?
From the sand.
Oh, that's nice. Ano yung tinitingnan niya guys, isda?
And what more?
That's all. Tingnan yung mga pabahay nila. Hoy, mga pabahay nila dyan.
Mama,
Oh,
can I play here?
yeah, later. Let's go there first to the city. And then maybe we can drink some juice. You like that? Or eat something like a bitter ball. Hi! Nathan likes bitter ball.
And then,
Or, that's all.
we drink limonada.
We can do that too. He is fishing. He's getting a fish.
Why?
For dinner maybe. Pero hindi yan sila ganyan dito guys. Binabalik po nila ang isda. No? Mag-fishing sila tapos ibalik ang isda pag nakahuli. May isa pang bridge doon. Oh. Maliit na bridge. It's beautiful here. You think so? Look at their house, Pepe Love. Wow.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah. Ay, napunta tayo doon sa city. Meron silang pa-church ata doon. Oh.
Buy a new house.
Can we buy a new house ba daw, Papa?
What house? That house?
Why?
Kainit. Laban lang para makablog.
So,
Punta ka kay Papa. Go to Papa, bebe. Maybe we can drink some lemonade there. Maybe.
we can eat chips or cracker.
That can also be. Maybe we can eat chips or cracker daw, Papa. Ganito ang ginagawa namin ni Daniel dati. Wala pa si Nathan. Magpunta kami sa iba't ibang city. Remember that, Mahal? Well,
I remember. I need to tell you something. They are poisonous. But you don't believe me, so you want to try, right? Go try.
dali na, Mahal. Move on. Mahal, you remember when Nathan was not there yet? We were just always going to the city, just you and me.
Yeah, we were looking at the fountain, remember?
Yeah. The 9 fountain of Friesland. Ha? 11 pala. Kasi ang Friesland po, meron siyang 11 provinces. Tapos sa 11 provinces na yun, isa po yung province namin, yung Leeuwarden. So every province, meron po silang anong tawag dyan? Pa-fountain. Grabe no, dyan lang nila ilibing guys.
Mama, look.
Yes.
Your nose.
Why?
I do a black in your nose.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, this is the fountain of Hindelopen guys. Look. May nakaupo man. How about the Leeuwarden, Mahal? Where is our fountain there?
Two big faces that spray mist.
Oh!
They call that a fountain.
So ito naman yung kanila. Sa Hindelopen. This is the fountain, Bebe Love. I'll take a picture of you. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1, photo. Hi, here, Bebe. Photo. In 3, 2, 1. Magsabi na naman sana ako ba, bakit kaya tinitingnan nila ako? Gandang-ganda na naman ako sa sarili ko. Tapos naalala ko. Kaya pala, dahil sa towel. Tingnan niyo yan guys. Oh. Pabahay niya dyan. Diba? Maliit lang masyado siya na ano. A city.
Tiny.
Tiny
But
city.
this is it.
Let's sit here, my love.
Yeah, you don't want to look there?
Oh yeah, we can look there. You know, I remember
Here,
we were eating salad here before, but it's not here. It was in front of like in the water with all the sheep.
Then we need to be there.
Yeah, let's go then. There, with all the sheep there, baby love. And there's a restaurant there. Ang nagustuhan ko dito dati, yung pabahay nila. Kamanga cute ba? Tingnan nyo. Doon pa sa may padulo. Yan ang bahay nila. Oh. Tinatanong niya kung pwede niya ba daw dalahin ang ng ibon sa restaurant. Hindi ma daw magalit ang mga chefs. Hindi katulad doon sa atin, di ba? Ang bahay nila dito, mga maliliit lang. Magkitaan lang talaga sila paglabas. Oh! Tapos harapan ang... harapan lang. Maliit lang masyado siya nakali. Oh, kite! Pasok talaga yan siya basta mga ganito. Kaya ang mister ko addict sa mga kites, guys. A butterfly kite?
Can I buy the butterfly guy?
Are you sure you don't want to buy the Tamagotchi anymore? You're saving for Tamagotchi, right?
Yeah.
Let's go to Papa. Let's see what they have. And how?
€1.
Huh?
€1.
Pag sure, you look if how much is it. It's not €1.
How much is it?
It's €20. Atras. Ow! Atras siya, uy. Mga benta niya din dito. Mga pinggan, mga towels. Ano naman to? Wow. In fairness. Diba, marami silang mga benta nga kasi marami din pong tourist na pumupunta dito. Lalo na pag ganito ang weather. Ganda. Kalain nyo yun, guys. Dati ako lang hawak-hawak ni Daniel. Nung nandito kami, ngayon iba na ang hinawakan niya. Uy, kainit, Lord. Daming nasa restaurant lang. You see? All the boats. Wow. Gastos pa rin. Say it, mahal. Gastos pa more.
Gastos pa more, whatever that means.
Cheers, guys. Nag-beer kami ni Daniel. Pero labas tayo. Look at that. All the boats. So, po sila dyan. O, mag-inom-inom. Doon din po. Tapos doon sa dulo may pa-bridge. Chill-chill lang. And all the restaurants in the world. Dito kami ni Daniel. Dito.
Photo.
Photo. Set photo.
Photo.
Kadaming tao, guys. Maybe there's a camping near here.
Many boats.
Many boats. Oh, yeah, the boats. Tama. They're going here with the boats, guys. Oh, a captain. Look. Yung mga boats na yan, guys, galing pa yan sa iba't ibang bansa. Alam nyo ba, karamihan na nandoon sa... Yeah, he doesn't have a feet. I don't know where. Bakit daw sira? Alam nyo ba, nung sa restaurant na pinag-inuman po namin, halos lahat German, wala pong Dutch. Si Daniel ang Dutch, guys.
What?
I'm telling them that a lot of foreigners here, just like me.
You are not foreigner, Mahal. You are Dutch.
Yeah, I'm Dutch now.
So they're not just like you.
They're still just like me. I'm also a foreigner.
Let's go to the beach first.
You want to go to the beach? Again and again and again? Are we still going to a different city, Mahal, after this?
If you want, we can still go to the Welcome Strand.
Oh, there, yeah. Let's go there.
The beach.
Yeah, beautiful bridge. Tingin-tingin lang kayo dyan, guys, ha? Kay libre pagala kayo for today's vlog. Tingnan nyo, German din yan.
Dann über Baltrum mit der letzten Fähre wieder hier.
Na, German. Balik na po kami sa sasakyan. Mga paganito nila dito. Sabi ko sa inyo, puro water sila, guys. Diba? Kaganda. And can you tell them, Mahal, about what you told me, my love? Can you tell me that the water, Mahal, that we were sa beach ba? Yung sa dagat kanina, akala natin dagat. That was...
the biggest lake in the Netherlands, but it's a man-made lake. Because we built the Afsluitdijk.
Yeah.
You know the 30 kilometers dike?
Yeah. So it's not salt water anymore.
No, but it's still getting some salt water because there are some openings in the dike for letting boats through, but they can also close it again.
So that was
But it's mostly sweet water.
a sea before, but now that they put the big dike and
Now it's a lake.
now it's a lake, guys. That's the biggest lake in the whole wide world.
No, it's the biggest lake in the Netherlands. It's definitely not the biggest lake in the world.
I will check in the internet if that is the biggest thing in the world. Ano tong mga tinda niya dyan? Open daw sila. Look at that, guys. Wow. 1714. Year 1714 pa, mahal. Yan ang nagustuhan ko dito sa Netherlands. Kaya nilalagyan po talaga nila minsan ng ng mga year. Yung mga pabahay-bahay nila, lalo na yung mga na masyado. Mga old houses. Ano daw yan dyan? I love you, guys!
We love you.
Someone is not answering. Tingnan nyo sila maglakad, oh. Like father, like son. You really walk the same, mahal ba? You look like Papa, baby. You look like Papa. You walk like Papa. I don't know.
You
No.
want him to walk like this?
Yeah, walk like that, baby love. You cannot? Ngek. Na siguro nalabas natin ito na ganito kainit, guys. Mangitim tayo ng lalo nito. Maitim na nga tayo. Mangitim pa tayo lalo. Tsaka ang mga wrinkles natin dyan, madagdagan sa kainit. Ang importante, nag-enjoy tayo, diba? Tapos nakagastos. How much did you pay, mahal? For the beer and the snack?
How much do you think?
Like 30 euros?
25.
25. Not bad, not bad.
Papa,
Yan pala nagastos natin for today's vlog. 25 euros. Tingnan nyo ang bahay. How is that? It's just the wall. Sabi pa ni Daniel ba na it is ano yan, strange house daw. But look, it's just a wall, guys. I love it.
kan dit erop, toch?
Yeah.
Want ik sta hier staan. Dus ik moet graag doorlopen.
Look at that, everyone. Sabi ko sa inyo, ang Netherlands before, guys, puro tubig po ito. Man-made na lang yan, yung mga nakikita nyo dyan. You can play first because the car is super hot. Tingnan nyo ang inutusan ko. Oh. Inutusan na buksan ang sasakyan. Na mapipigilan ang aking sarili na hindi magpayong pa. Dala-dala ko ng dala-dala ko na ang payong piskot. Dali na because Papa is getting hot in there. Let's go. We are today in the beach of Borkum. Ang daming tao nagsa-sunbathing. Meron silang maliit na pa store dyan, oh. Wow. Look at that, everyone. Have you been in the Europe beach, guys? Yeah, the beach is full. Grabe, kaya nila magpainit-init ng ganyan, guys. No, wala man ng pasilungan. Oh. Yeah?
The beach stand that we have at home.
Yeah. Why did you not bring that then? Magpaano sana siya ng kite dito? Maraming ding nagka-kiting, oh. Kita nyo ba yan, guys? Daming tao. Grabe, lumabas na yung nipple ng babae, guys. As in, super labas talaga. Nakita ko ang nipple niya. Pero wala yan silang pakialam, no? Kahit may mga bilbil yan sila, may mga ano ba yan sila dyan, wala silang pakialam. Wala din silang pakialam sa'yo.
Different, huh?
Yeah, why?
Because in the Philippines everybody's in the shade, and in the Netherlands everybody's just lying in the sun.
Yeah, look. Mataba, may kagid. Basta, hindi ka ba flawless. Wala silang pakialam. Grabe dito guys, hindi talaga mga Dutch. Ibang lahi sila, ibang lingwahe. May mga patent sila dyan. Tapos hanggang doon po talaga sa dulo, no? Grabe sila mag-sunbathing, oh. Hindi normal, hindi ko kaya yan guys. Salamat na lang. Laro na si Nata na baby guys. But look at that. Umupo na ako dito guys. Grabe, nangitim na good ang paa ko, oh. Kaitim na. Hindi po makapagpalipad si Daniel ng kite kasi kadaming tao. Taste the water, mahal. Hindi talaga siya lasang dagat na ibang-iba. It's not a salt water. It's pedo and tasting. Ano siya, maalat siya pero hindi yung katulad ng alat sa dagat talaga. A little bit salty but also sweet.
Not very, yeah, like I said, right?
Yeah.
Not so salty.
Mama, it's so hot. It's so
You want to take it off? Yeah, that's fine. We have more shirts for you, okay?
For me,
Yeah.
shrimp t-shirt.
Para siyang yung dagat na may bitchin. Ganon. It's like, mahal, it's like a dagat with magic sarap. It's not salty, it's magic sarap. Daming kite. Nainggit si Daniel na hindi man, wala man ako nakadala ng damit niya, guys. Tingnan niyo ang anak ko. Hindi na tayo, guys. Grabe ang kainit. Para akong nasa Pilipinas. Grabe. Uy. Bakit man ito? Last na ito ha. Last na. Sila chill lang masyado. Oh. Diyan pa sila nag-upo. Magpainit, Jude. Yes, I will buy you ice cream, okay? Tapos yung pastil natin doon, hinihintay na tayo. Magpastil tayo mamaya for dinner. Layo pa talaga ng lakarin. Itong isa, kadami pang hinihingi. Sabi ko sa ano, nasasakyan na. Ginusto man natin ito. So, are you happy with your banana?